Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the Remy filter on TikTok or how to join perfect pitch challenge on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then to get the Remy filter, we need to go to the search menu or the search bar on TikTok. You can click on this icon and then just search for perfect pitch filter or perfect pitch challenge. Okay, and these are the effects we can use to create do re mi video. And for me, I'm just going to use this one. I'm going to use this effect. Click on use this effect, and then you can start to join perfect pitch challenge. Okay guys, I'm gonna start to record my video and I'm going to join the challenge. Okay, I'm going to start it guys. I'm going to start the recording. Before it, I'm going to choose the duration and then I'm just going to select 60 seconds. Do, re, mi, fa, 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 di, do. Okay, perfect. Okay, and now the do re mi video has been created. And then before you upload your result to the TikTok, you can edit it with the editing tools on TikTok. You can add tag, sticker, or maybe filter. It's up to you. And once you're done here, you can click on next or your story if you want to create story. And then I'm just going to click on next and add the caption, hashtag, and so on. Okay, and then we can add description before we post it, but I'm just going to leave it like that, and then we can click on post. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create do re mi challenge video on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video, guys.